Hello, Chef here. I'm about to share something with you. I consider these to be the holy grail of longevity boosting foods, and I thought, why not share with you one way to live longer. These antioxidants will help you prevent damage to your body, repair DNA, and they have natural flavor and nutrients that of course are wonderful, but also great for your eyesight. And vitamin C helps with muscle recovery, and they can boost your brain health and reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, so many other beneficial properties. It doesn't only apply to these beautiful strawberries. A friend gave me these. Oh yes, thank you so much. Longevity. But also blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, dark cherries. The list goes on and on and on. But I highly suggest you incorporate some of these into your diet. I'm going to show you how I'm going to enjoy these right now. First, we'll just taste one. Oh, so good. And now for a daily tea. I like to break these up into the cup like this. Got about 3 strawberries worth of berries right here. I'm going to be putting some black tea, infusing them together, as well as some honey. I like my tea sweet. Half a teaspoon of honey. The holy grail of longevity. Cheers to your health. Simple drink will help you avoid the doctor visits, medical visits, and the whole medical industry that feeds upon selling you and giving you prescriptions and visits and things you don't need, when you can simply enjoy longevity in a glass. Antioxidants are superfoods. Incorporate them into your diet. Live longer naturally. Wow. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the sponsor, Butcher Blocks. Other great things for your kitchen. Oh yeah, just like the fresh berries. Love it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Microplastics, as well as plastic water bottles. Did I buy this? Oh, hell no. You must realize that there's between 300 and 20,000 plastic particles in many of these bottled waters. Nestle alone makes millions of dollars off bottled water every week, maybe every day. Why would I support this and risk my health, and why should you? Well, I gotta tell you, recent studies have shown that they have now found up to 240,000 particle of plastic in a typical liter of bottled water. So why would you continue to buy this? It's horrible for the environment. The plastic ends up in landfills, in rivers and lakes and oceans, and it continues to degrade ever so slightly and put more plastic particles back into the water system. So a quick solution for you: never buy plastic water bottles. Cheap, shoddy, thin plastic with water and plastic inside. Terrible for your health. Make the switch and start buying your water. If you need water, the carbonated tastes better anyway. You can get it carbonated or non-carbonated. Or get yourself a refillable bottle, open it up, put your water in there, you're good to go. Never travel without a water bottle. It's a good idea to have one of these when you travel, and then you always have water with you, a way to refill your water and carry it. I've been using this one for, I don't know, more than 10 years. It keeps going. This is, by the way, a safe plastic by the number on the bottom, so it's not comparable to this cheap garbage. So do that next time you're thinking of having a water. Go with the can. Oh yeah, carbonation. And you can kick it up even a higher level. Use glass, put your water in there, and then add 1 or 2 ounces of fruit juice, and now your bottled water, canned water, is going to taste amazing. Cheers to your health. Like, share, subscribe. Once again, avoid bottled water, avoid microplastics, avoid consuming nanoparticles of plastic, as well as polluting the earth and the water system in general. When you see this and you see people drinking this, just laugh, walk past, or give them some advice and improve their health, help them live longer, and stop consuming water in plastic bottles. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Made in USA, braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor. Shop small and have a wonderful holiday season. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good.